Garmin is well known for producing smart watches that excel in terms of battery life, among other things. While most of these watches can go for weeks without being charged, Garmin decided to take it a step further with the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar, which offers quote-unquote unlimited battery life. But how does it compare to the Garmin Tactix 7? And most importantly, which one is the best fit for you? Could the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar offer better value for money at a lower price? Discover all of this and more in our video today. Being an iconic smartwatch, Garmin combines ultra-style outdoor capabilities with the ruggedness of a Casio G-Shock. The Instinct 2X Solar is Garmin's latest pick on a solar-powered smartwatch that comes with excellent health and activity tracking features, alongside a stunning runtime. The massive case is 50 mm in length, and made out of a fiber-reinforced polymer that meets a tough and trusted MIL STD810 standard for water resistance, shock resistance, and thermal protection. Being all button heavy without a touch screen, you're getting 3 buttons on the left, and 2 on the right side for navigation, and on the back you'll get the optical heart rate sensor, which can also provide data on things like breathing rate, pulse ox, and more. The straps are removable, if you fancy adding custom straps, and the watch feels a lot sturdy overall. On the flip side, the Garmin Tactix 7, the more premium choice in comparison, comes with a 1.4-inch touchscreen display, with sapphire glass with a traditional 5-button operation. Straight out of the box, you'll be getting a black silicone watch that's swappable. So, you're getting plenty of options. The ridgeless bezel comes with a machine flat finish with markers around the perimeter with no visible contouring, keeping things clean and simple. Overall, a simple and minimalistic design with a DLC coating finish that's just magnetically charming. Now shedding more light into the comparison, no punch intended to be promised. Both watches come with a built-in flashlight. The Instinct 2X Solar comes with a built-in LED flashlight that can emit a light in a strobe effect to match your pace of running, or instead, flash a red safety light to mitigate nighttime blindness and keep you visible to vehicles passing by. The flashlight can easily alternate between red and white for extra visibility, making this a great pick for running when it's dark out. However, the Garmin Tactix 7, obviously considering the price tag, comes with a built-in multi-LED flashlight that comes with a green LED light, along with the white one, which proves to be an incredibly useful tool that helps to maintain the natural night vision of the human eye. As for the sensors, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar comes with the new multi-band GNSS sensor that improves the watch's already impressive GPS routing and track-back mode, with other nifty essentials, such as giving you the option to choose obstacle course racing as a selectable workout profile. This profile can help you to manually record your splits between obstacles with the objective of easily distinguishing between running and obstacle navigation, similar to keeping track of strength workouts. Apart from that, you'll be getting the usual features such as separate profiles for running, swimming, hiking, skiing, and the works, all with a 1080 water resistance rating. However, in terms of training tools, health monitoring, smart notifications, and a heart rate accuracy, Garmin Tactix 7 is pretty hard to beat. The features being the trump card, the Tactix 7 promises advanced training and performance tracking from your wrist, which include but are not limited to measuring endurance, real-time stamina, a new HIIT activity profile, and tools to accommodate most running, marathons, and triathlons. With the Tactix 7, you're also getting instant access to advanced health and wellness monitoring, courtesy of Garmin's advanced and hyper-accurate heart rate sensor, body battery, energy monitor, pulse ox, and a ton more. However, things take a different turn in terms of battery life. See, Garmin Instinct 2X has a neat little trike that makes them stand out in a surprisingly visible manner. The solar panel is hard not to notice, and with the technology being around since the beginning of Garmin's solar era, it wasn't that impactful to the battery life. However, The Instinct series takes things up several notches, with a focus on minimal battery usage while maximizing the charge gained from the sun, which in turn actively transforms the battery charge from showing days to an infinity sign in certain categories. This is most likely thanks to the panels themselves, which collect 100 of the sun's rays. In comparison, the Tactix 7 lags a bit behind, but to be fair, they are competing against unlimited battery life. So, it's not on them. But in general, the Tactix 7 has a pretty hefty and reliable battery life, where it can run for 28 days in smartwatch mode, 90 days in battery saver mode, 89 hours in GPS only, 63 hours in satellite with a max battery GPS of up to 213 hours. Now the price. The Garmin Tactix 7 is one of Garmin's most premium smartwatches, and their premiumness reflects on their price tag. You can get yourself a Garmin Tactix 7 for a staggering $1,099. However, in comparison, the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar comes with a steady and comparatively heartwarming price tag of only $500. With a 50% price gap. Is Garmin Instinct 2X Solar the better choice? Well, yes and no. Of course yes, because the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar has incredible value for money. Apart from having quote-unquote unlimited battery life, the Instinct excels in what it does, without making you pay a hefty price. However, if you're motivated by results and thrived by accuracy, the Tactix 7 will provide exactly and precisely that, alongside a lot of other nifty features that make the price somewhat justified. Honestly, we'd be happy with the Instinct 2X Solar, but we understand a lot of you guys prefer constant monitoring over your physical prowess, and for that, but the Tactix 7 is unbeatable. So there you have it. A comparison of the Garmin Instinct 2X Solar and the Garmin Tactix 7. Which of these timepieces would you choose, and why? Please let us know, as we would appreciate hearing from you. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon if you want more content like this in your feed.